Welcome to the Money Talk Show TV. I am your host with the collar flipping up, baby. Collar flipping up on me. I don't know what's going on. Having a little wardrobe malfunction, but they be alright. I am the money coach, baby. I am the motivator. I am the educator. I am the inspirational coach to help you get into the stock market game, baby. And today's video is I got to give you, you know what I'm saying, some of the bad. I can't just sit here and throw all the I'm winning. Gotta give you the real, baby, because the stock market, if anybody tell you they are winning every single time, all the time, they might be lying. Alright, but today's video is some of the mistakes I made as a new investor getting into the stock market. So hopefully you can look at this video, look at some of my mistakes, and don't make some of the same, baby. All right. Let's get into it. All right, first tip is I did not start with a paper trading account. I jumped straight into the stock market. I downloaded the app. Boy, I was just went in there blind, straight in there. I did not test out, try on any other platforms, to just jump straight to the stock market. That was my first mistake. Okay, so never jump straight into something, especially if you don't understand it, like the matrix to you. Do your research, baby. Go ahead and get the paper trading accounts. That way you get the feel of it. Get the feel of it, okay? That was the first mistake I made, okay? The second mistake I made was going in there without a plan. No plan, baby, okay? I just jumped to the stock market, started buying stocks because I was happy. I just knew I was able to do it, and I was doing it, okay? So number two is make a plan, okay? You get into the stock market, you got to have a plan, baby, okay? For example, if you got $500, you need to figure out, you know, how you're going to break that down into what stocks. Remember, diversify. Don't just put it all in one stock. But you need to have a plan on when do you expect that 500 to turn into 750 or 1,000. And the stock market is a long game, baby. It's a long way game. Unless you're day trading or swing trading real fast. It's a long way game. So you need to set some time, you know, hey, I want that 500 to come to 1,000. And then you can rebalance everything, okay? So therefore, if you look at a stock as $10 and you figure, hey, it jumped to 25 or 20, I'm selling them out, I'm getting out. Plan, write it down. So that way when you look at that stock and it do go up that much, you can say, hey man, I said I was gonna get out when I made 50% of my money. So let me look at the stock, see if it's gonna keep going up. I might wanna stay in, or I might wanna sell some, cut a little bit off the top, baby, and keep on riding in. That's what some investors do. That's why I like to buy a whole bunch of shares. For example, like 130. Okay, if I buy 130 shares, I might sell 60 to 80. You know what I'm saying? Keep the rest in there. That way I made my money back that I initially put in there, and I still got the rest of the house money just riding on. Okay, so I'm playing with house money, baby. I got my money back. Now I got house money into the stock market. All right. Tip number 3. Okay, don't go in there chasing. Okay, don't go chasing the bull. You do not go there chasing the bull. Okay, and stock market, that pretty. Don't go in there buying stock because you see it went up 15% today, and you're gonna buy it today just because it went up 15%. You don't know what that stock is. You ain't look it up on Yahoo Finance. You ain't check the balance sheet. You ain't do none of that. You just went in there. Oh, it went up 15% today, so I know it's gonna go up 15% tomorrow. I did that. I tell you, I did that. Went straight in there. Oh man, especially that's why they advertise those high stocks, top gainers, right there on the first page. Don't be fooled by that top gainers. Okay, that's the people who already didn't made money. Okay, it's timing in the stock market, baby. Okay, so I'm just jumping there thinking, oh, it went up 15%. I'm just gonna buy it. And I have no idea what the company is, who the CEO is, what the balance sheet is. Do they have a lot of debt? None of that stuff, baby. You gotta learn. Get in there, okay? So don't make those same mistakes that I did just because you see the green and you buying it, okay? And the last step, last tip, I mean, I'm gonna give you a bonus. Timing. Okay? Stock market is based on timing. I know a lot of people have been messaging me and commenting, asking, hey, I did buy some of those stocks, and this, but they ain't, doing as well as yours. I'm not winning as much as yours. Mine's not green like yours. It's because the time. Simple, baby. If I bought 50 bags of chips for $5, okay, and it was on sale in December, the beginning of December, and you come at the end of December and you buy it for $10, don't get mad at me. You know what I'm saying? I bought it early when it was on sale. Okay, that's why we tell you to get into the game, study, so you can get into it at a good price range. Okay, if you buy Tesla now, you buying it for $600 and almost $70. Okay, when I bought Tesla, it was $440. So even if Tesla goes down $50, I'm still winning. You get what I'm saying? But if you bought it yesterday, you're gonna be losing. Time, baby. Okay, so go by time. So don't make some of these mistakes that I made jump into the stock market by not doing your research, not getting a paper trading account and practicing, okay? And jumping on the bull, anything that's green, they say the top gainers, you just want to get it because, oh, it's green, or listen to other people, oh, we'll buy this stock, buy this stock. Do your research, baby, okay? So don't do some of those mistakes that I made when you jump into the stock market, all right? Create this show to help out anybody in the stock market, baby. So please hit that like button, that subscribe, and share the button. Share this video, the button, baby. Share the button. Okay, I said that. Share the button to anybody. Okay. So remember, be blessed to invest in yourself, and don't jump into the stock market blind, baby, butt naked. You're gonna strip you. Stock market will strip you. You're gonna be out there butt naked in the alley, asking for some cookies. No milk.